Hi and welcome to the channel. My name is Anna Maria and today I have a little vlog from one of Nils Dacke's caves and also from a memorial for him. If you like this episode, please like, comment and subscribe. It will help out the channel a lot. Nils Dacke was from South Sweden. He was a farmer and he led a peasant revolt in the 1500s. The revolt that Nils Dacke started led to Dackefejden or the Dacke War. The uprising started in 1542 and it ended in 1543 when Nils Dacke was killed. The revolt and Dackefejden, the Dacke War, was against rules of the then King Gustav Vasa. He put up more taxes and it severely hurt all the people in the country, especially the farmers and peasants. And that's why Nils Dacke had a lot of people behind him. This is one of the caves that he was hiding in. There are many other caves in the area. One of the places he was said to hide as well was in Karnaberg. And I have done an episode about that before and I will link it down in the description. (1543) was when Nils Dacke was killed. In this place there is now a memorial stone for him here. His body was then taken to Kalmar Castle and used as an example to scare away other people that wanted to do an uprising against the king. And that was all for this episode. I hope you liked it and I will see you in the next one.